ओम नमो बुढ़ाई डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू ईसी रिसर्चर, जहां एजुकेशन को प्रैक्टिकल और रियल बनाया जाता है। आज हम समझेंगे एक वेरी फंडामेंटल बट पावरफुल टॉपिक, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ केमिस्ट्री। ये टॉपिक क्लास 11 के ही फर्स्ट चैप्टर में होता है, बट इसका यूज सिर्फ सिलेबस तक सीमित नहीं है। केमिस्ट्री इज द सेंट्रल साइंस और ये दुनिया की अंडरस्टैंडिंग का फाउंडेशन है। फिजिक्स, बायोलॉजी, अर्थ साइंस, मेडिसिन, एनवायरमेंटल साइंस, सभी सब्जेक्ट्स का बीच में कनेक्शन होता है केमिस्ट्री के थ्रू। इसीलिए हम कहते हैं केमिस्ट्री इज द ब्रिज बिटवीन फिजिकल एंड बायोलॉजिकल साइंसेस। Let's divide the importance into different fields so आपको clear हो जाए daily life and consumer products. Detergents, soaps, cosmetics, flavors, and even plastic containers, सब chemical formulations हैं. Food chemistry. Preservatives like sodium benzoate and citric acid maintain shelf life. Cooking involves physical and chemical changes, like the Maillard reaction, emulsification, and boiling points. Medicinal chemistry. Medicines are designed through organic and pharmaceutical chemistry. Aspirin, with the chemical formula C9H804, and paracetamol, known as C8H9NO2, are popular drugs with precise chemical structures. Agricultural chemistry. Fertilizers such as urea and NPK fertilizers are products of industrial chemistry. Pesticides and herbicides are designed to selectively kill insects or weeds. Soil testing kits use chemical indicators to determine pH, nitrogen content, and more. Anti-energy sector. Chemistry plays a role in the development of biofuels, hydrogen fuel cells, solar cells, and batteries. The electrochemical principles used in lithium-ion and dry cells are important for both daily life and board exams. Environment and sustainability. Ozone depletion, acid rain, greenhouse gases, all are results of chemistry. Water treatment plants use coagulation and flocculation. These are chemical processes. Green chemistry promotes eco-friendly alternatives to traditional processes. Human body and biochemistry. The human body functions on enzymatic reactions, acid-base balance, and metabolism, all chemical. ATP or adenosine triphosphate formation is the core energy cycle in cells. Industrial chemistry plays a crucial role in our everyday lives. Petroleum refining, polymer production, metal extraction, cement manufacturing, and dyes. All these industries depend heavily on applied chemistry. Topics like hydrocarbons, polymers, and metallurgy are directly drawn from this field. Chemistry is a key enabler of scientific research and innovation. It drives advancements in nanotechnology, semiconductors, cosmetics, AI materials, 3D printing, and pharmaceutical R&D. Are you an aspiring researcher? This is the field for you. Today, career opportunities in chemistry are vast and diverse. You can become a chemical engineer, a pharmacist or doctor, a forensic expert, a cosmetic chemist, or an environmental consultant. You could also pursue a career as a scientific researcher or professor. Additionally, knowledge in chemistry helps in competitive exams like UPSC, state PSCs, NDA, NEET, G, QET, and more. Let's go through a quick summary table for revision. In daily life, chemistry plays a role in soap, food, cooking, and cleaning products. In medicine, it's involved in drug synthesis and diagnostics. For agriculture, it aids in fertilizers, pesticides, and soil health. In energy, it contributes to fuel, batteries, and solar cells. For the environment, chemistry helps in waste management, green chemistry, and pollution control. In body functions, it is essential for digestion, respiration, and hormones. In various industries, chemistry is crucial for plastics, metallurgy, textiles, and paints. Lastly, in research and careers, it opens opportunities in R&D, pharma, teaching, and engineering. So students, आज की सेशन से आपको ये समझ आया होगा कि केमिस्ट्री सिर्फ एक स्कूल सब्जेक्ट नहीं है, ये हर प्रोफेशन और हर साइंस का बेस है। आपका टूथपेस्ट से लेकर टैबलेट तक और रॉकेट फ्यूल से लेकर डीएनए तक सब में केमिस्ट्री छुपी हुई है। ओम नमो बुढ़ाई, सीखते रहिए, समझते रहिए। मैं हूं नीराज और यह था एक और एक्साइटिंग क्लास ईसी रिसर्चर पर।